3, 2, 1, action! Come on, guys.
About as low as I can.
Yeah, on top.
Right now we're mocking up for our new product coming out. So it's going to be really cool. We're building a cool set. It's a kind of a walkthrough set, from different set to different sets, which is what makes it really unique.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Caulk, our super high performance caulk with the new trigger flowing nozzle. What we're doing now is just going through the open, and we're just trying to figure out the choreography as I move from the kitchen to the bathroom to the garage. It takes a lot of practice. We'll be here for hours, if not days, trying to figure this out, but it's going to be worth it because in the end, it's going to be a great spot.
We're getting ready to start our caulk set, and we're going to start moving these walls over. We got the decision to enlarge the set, so we're going to bring this all the way to the garage door. We're going to use these lifts and machines to break it all down, and then we're going to reconstruct the new wall with the new design.
Let's go!
So the set plans are in. The kind of look we're going for the walls is kind of like a poured concrete look. We started out with a piece of foam, and now next step is just to put a little base coat of paint on it. So once I laid down our nice dark top coat, I used this sponge, little improvised tool, to kind of remove some of it and add a nice texture.
Morning of day one, Flex Caulk shoot. We are B-roll focused this week. We got a lot going on. We have kitchen sets, we have workshop sets, bathroom sets, windows, doors, baseboards. So many things going on, I can't remember them all, but you're gonna see them, so keep on watching.
Here we go. And 3, 2, 1, action.
Setting up a little wet box so that when we do a rain effect, we can capture all the water and not make a big mess, hopefully.
Check out the cool set for the new Flex Caulk commercial. High tech and modern. I'll tell you what, the art department killed it. So this is the main stage, the main setup. Then I walk from here, and I walk right into the bathroom, and I caulk the shower. And then after I caulk the shower, I go around here, I go in here. So I come over into here. I have to grab it with my right hand, and then I'm gonna show it to camera, transfer it to my left hand. And then when that's done, I'm gonna step outside. Because the best part about Flex Caulk, you don't need a caulking gun. With Flex Caulk, you have complete control. Getting it right, it takes a lot of rehearsal and a lot of time. It's kind of like, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours of trying to get it right and 2 minutes of shooting. Hi, the ghost of Phil Swift here. Yeah, you see this? Do you see what I gotta do? This is what I gotta go through. I'm actually gonna be on camera with this. This reminds me of like when you go to a concert and before the band comes out and like the crowds grow and everything's getting exciting and more exciting, and then all of a sudden, boom, you know, the curtains open and the band comes out. Well, that's exactly how this feels. It's so exciting before the shoot, and then when you finally start shooting, it just gets better and better. And all I'm waiting for is for Mr. Quinn to say, double mark that.
There you go. Great. Good energy, Phil. And 3, 2, 1, action.
Ordinary caulks, they shrink and become brittle, but Flex Caulk expands and contracts and stays completely flexible.
Cut, mark it, reset.
I got a mark! So this is the tank demo where I say it even works underwater, and they're having some technical difficulties right now. The plumbing is not right.
There you go. You guys figure it out? Yep.
We think so.
I think they figured it out. Flex Caulk has incredible adhesion. It even works underwater.
So we just did a big demo. It's kind of an iconic demo for us, and the reason it is because a lot of Flex Seal products even work underwater, while there's a lot of other products that can't do that. So we like to show that off. We like to show off how well these products really work, and we just nailed it. The original idea for the tape dome was a little different because we knew we had something that he could just slap onto, you know, a gushing water source and it would instantly seal the leak. But since that, it's evolved and it's kind of became a catchphrase, and people love hearing Phil say,
it even works underwater. So I'd like to thank the Academy. You know, it's been a long, hard road, but all this hard work and dedication paid off, because now we have a brand new spot. It's called Flex Caulk. It's awesome. You're gonna love it. We are basically finished in set. Today was our last day here. And Monday we go to the 500 building and we all go back in time.
here we go, and 3, 2, 1, action.
Did you know that the caulking gun was invented over 130 years ago? And it really hasn't changed that much at all.
It was a great experience, and I loved doing it. And yeah, I had a good time. It was a little detailed. It needed a little bit of attention to the timing,
Don't take it.
but I think we pulled it through.
Good. Mark it and cut. Back to 1. Good job.
Tell you what, you know, I've seen you guys work hard. You never fail to amaze me. I'm in awe of what you guys do. And I'll tell you, if there's any group of people that deserve the rap, it's you guys. All right, so on the count of 3, once again, that's a wrap. You guys deserve it. Thank you so much. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's a wrap!
All right. Thank you so much for watching our new Flex Caulk commercial. Flex Caulk. If you want to buy it, do it now. If you want to watch more videos, click somewhere around here. But whatever you do, do not subscribe. Okay. You should subscribe, please.